Hi guys, in this video we'll be tearing apart the Lifejacket 2 speakers from Altec Lansing. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker which is sturdy, waterproof and dustproof. I'm making this video because I couldn't find much help online regarding how to go about opening up the speakers. The speaker is encased in two rubber housings and no screws are visible. Start by removing the black plastic pegs, 4 in the front and 4 at the back. Now that the outer pegs are gone, we can see another set of pegs beneath. Remove these along with the black rubber housing. The inner rubber housing comes off without much trouble. Finally, we start seeing some screws, but none of these have to be removed. 4 on the top belonging to the control panel and 1 at the bottom that belongs to the mounting system. Now remove the wire mesh on both sides using a screwdriver or a needle nose plier. Be careful not to damage the speakers in the front. Now another set of screws is seen holding down the speakers. These two needn't be removed. Now remove the rubber pegs to expose the screws beneath. These rubber pegs are not glued in and they come off pretty easily with needle nose pliers. There are 4 at the back and 2 in the front. Finally, we can unscrew the screws holding the case together. box encases the back panel, and we can also see 2 speakers, a blue battery and the main board. Well, I actually opened up the speaker to find out if there is any space available to fit in a Raspberry Pi Zero with a DAC, so that I can add in AirPlay capabilities to the speaker. But now I don't think there is much space, and I don't think it's gonna work out. Anyway, if I do figure out a way to fit a Pi Zero with a DAC inside, I'll make part 2 of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching.